Alright, hello and welcome to TripLog's Edit Trip Overview. This is just a brief look at some basic features offered by TripLog in regards to editing or changing trips. You may have noticed that by clicking on the days, you can expand or collapse trips, but you can also expand all or collapse all from the Daily Menu button. A cool feature meant to help solve the confusing delude of trips is a daily map view. By pressing on this Google Map icon, it will take you to a screen displaying all the stops and routes you took on that day. This is very helpful when you want to recall the details of a past trip, or if you're like me, you go for a few days not checking your trips and you need to remember what those trips are. The app records trip stops with GPS latitude and longitude coordinates, and translates the street address if there is an internet connection. Now, you can change those addresses to names, making your trip timeline much easier to read. For example, this is home and this is business center. The app will use those names next time you visit the same place. The fastest and easiest way to change a trip activity, for example, personal to business, on the trip screen is by pressing the activity circle on the trips bar and choose one of the activities from the pop-up menu. If you want to customize your activities, go to Business Activities in the main menu. And now you'll see a list of all the current activities you have. Press the plus button at the bottom of the screen to add a new one, for example, Second Business. Or press the existing activity to edit it. You can edit a trip by simply pressing the trip bar. Everything about a trip is available to edit from this screen. One thing I'd like to talk about is the mileage lock switch. It locks the trip mileage when you change the starting or ending odometer, rather than changing the mileage. Now, this is very important because if you're ever audited, the IRS requires the odometer reading and business justification of each trip. Notes are for long descriptions of the trips, and tags are usually shorter. A nice feature of tags is that the app can recall previously entered tags. For more videos like this, go to our YouTube channel, TripLog, or our website at triplogmileage.com.